Hello everyone, welcome back to the another tutorial of our Java programming series. In the last video we will discuss about the for loop. Now in this video we will discuss about the while loop. So before wasting time, I will open first PDF. So while loop. While loop will be a same work, look like a for loop. While loop भी for loop की तरह काम करता है, but इसका syntax different है for loop से. Like this is a syntax of while loop, while, then condition, then after the body, then use an increment and decrement operator. How while loop works? The while loop evaluates the condition test expression. If the condition is true, then it will be a 1 or non-zeros. The code will be inside the body while loop will be executed. This process repeat until the test expression will be a false. जब तक आपकी condition false ना हो तब तक ये चलता ही जाएगा. This process repeat until the test expression will be not false. Okay, while non n, whatever n is like a variable, you want to store any number of this n. If the n is a 1, then it will be a true, condition will be true. Then inside the loop and then statement, whatever, here will be a statement like string.out.println. It will be execute. After that you will be a user input. If user take a input 0, enter a 0, then it will be a condition false. If the user enter some another number, not a 0, so that is why here will be a condition will be a true, then again it will run. जब तक ये चलेगा जब तक आप 0 नहीं दोगे. सो आपको मैं एक एग्जांपल के थ्रू आपको इसको समझा दूंगा. जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पर बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर लिखा हुआ है प्रोग्राम का. सो द एंड लाइक दिस वेरिएबल, here will be a store like 2, and then use a while loop. Then here pass the condition like n not equals to 0. Then after here will be a any statement you want to print. So you need to print a statement like I will print this n. Okay, then after I will be take a user input like n integer dot pass int, then system dot console dot read line. This is the console class. You will be take a user input here. Use this class, then take a user input. So like I will compile this first, and I will compile this one Java C, then our program name. So here will be a, and I will change this name like do while example dot java. It will be a execute successfully. Then this is a 2. After that whatever user take user input 3 like 3, user input 0, it will be a out of the loop because condition will be a false. I will change this one program name while loop so that I have a change here because हम while loop का प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं. तो इसका मैं चेंज करता हूँ, रीनेम इसको okay. Now I will compile one more time this program. Yes, same result like a 3 input like 5, 6, जब तक आप 0 ना दोगे तब तक ये चलता ही जाएगा, बिकॉज कंडीशन यहाँ पर फुलफिल हो रही है। सो मैं आपको समझा दूंगा ये वर्क कैसे कर रहा है। जैसे n एक वेरिएबल है, इसके अंदर आपके पास इनिशियली वैल्यू 2 है, देन आपने क्या किया, एक प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट प्रिंट करवा दिया, जो भी है प्रिंट करवा दिया इसी n को, जो भी n में है वो प्रिंट हो जाएगा। देन आफ्टर आपने n यूज़र से लिया, यूज़र इनपुट, लाइक n क्या है, 2 है, फिर प्रिंट क्या हो जाएगा 2, देन यूज़र ने इनपुट दिया 4, तो वापस आएगा 4 विल बी अ कंडीशन, इट विल बी अ ट्रू, बिकॉज 4 नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0, it will be a true, then print output will be a 4, then user input a 0, 0 not equals to 0, condition will be a false. So that is why here will be condition false, and exit this loop. This is a example, this is a way you will be use a while loop. So I will show with one example and use for loop, like here while loop used for the any, like I have a n and have a 2 numbers and is greater than 0. yes, okay, आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, जब तक n माइनस माइनस ना हो तब तक ये चलता जाए। जैसे n है मेरे पास 2, okay, 3, like 5, I have 10, n is 10. Now here will be a need to print odd numbers. I will print odd numbers. Okay, so if n mod by 2 equals 1 was the print odd numbers. System dot out dot println, you need this statement, and then after here will be a print, and after that these are the print here, have a little bit space, then n will be decrement, like C, and here will be need semicolon, like I have a 4, then 0, then like 9 7 5 3 1. These are the odd numbers, reverse order. If I print that n is less than 10, so first n initially 1, yes, then n plus 0, it will be a print ascending order. This is a way use a for loop, a small example. So back to the PDF, what here, and here will be a now this is a valid and invalid for loop format, like a valid format and not equals is allowed, and while is a true it goes a infinite loop, while not equals 0 it only print a one statement, only allowed one statement. So I will show you, this is the invalid format, while without statement, without condition, not allowed, while if use a double semicolon inside the condition, it will be a not allowed, like this. If I have a right here while, then here pass a true condition. True means is a infinite loop, infinite loop, because condition will be not false, it will be a true, so that is why goes to infinite. If I show like while loop, then in 3 0, then it goes to infinite, it will be control C back. This is an allowed, but it will go to infinite, and next one is an And same if I terminate here this also and I take a new example here while and whatever condition is here and not one like a variable not equals to 0, so here will be a semicolon, then you print here system dot out dot print and here print a and. So first time will be a print, then after it will be not print like, and here will be a 2. So back here, then 2, then 0, then 9, then goes a infinite. It also goes a infinite because it will be here terminate this loop. Okay, and will be a decrement, but also it goes a infinite loop. Then this is a invalid format while not allowed and while not allowed. So if I change this one and comment, I will comment and here okay, control shift Q, then after user need here like a while and not allowed anything, and like this it goes control C first, it will be not allowed. Okay, 2 and sorry 0, nothing will be a print here. Okay, if I it will be not a gives a error, but it will be nothing print if I while provide the 2 semicolon. So first I will comment this one. Now let's check goes a infinite or not. Only gives us a list of possible. Okay, nothing will be print, but it goes not infinite, it will be a allowed. So let's check this one. Yes, it's also allowed. Now yes, both cases are allowed, but it will be print nothing. Okay, this is a valid and invalid format for while loop. So back to the PDF. Now after that it's complete here while loop. So I hope you will be enjoy this video. अगर आपको ये पढ़ाना अच्छा लग रहा है प्लीज़ आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल करवाता हूँ while लूप का, जिसके अंदर हम यूज़र से इनपुट लेंगे. इसी एग्जांपल के अंदर करवाता हूँ मैं. जैसे कि हमें सम करवाना है यूज़र इनपुट का. 5 नंबर हमें टेक 5 number in user and print sum. I have a right here question. Okay, take 5 number in user, take sum of 5 numbers. So here will be a sum n. Okay, use a shorthand operator, then declare the sum variable equals to 0, then print and be a print inside and outside the loop. Print ln, then goes sum here, and I have a provide one message here, sum of 5 numbers is like show you like I have a 1 2 3 4 and 5, then 0, and I have a need this one, and I don't need to print here. Okay, like a 1 2 3 4 5, then 0. Here will be nothing in sum. So why in this sum, and will be a like if I print this inside that sum. So now let's check. It goes and I compile and comment this one. So it, and sorry, I have compiled some another program, so that is why. Okay, 2, the sum will be 2 5 6 7, then 0 24, and now this statement goes back inside, not inside, outside. Now I will show you like 2 3 4 5 and 6, then 0. These are the 5 numbers sum. And now this is an allowed, but now I will check here, this is not allowed. Now goes a error, it will not allowed. इससे पहले कोई दूसरा प्रोग्राम चल रहा था, इसलिए वो अलाउ कर रहा था. अब इसको भी हम चेक करेंगे, इसको कमेंट करेंगे. इट विल नॉट अलाउड. ओके, ये केसेस एरर देंगे, gives us error. I hope you will be understand. मैंने इससे पहले कोई दूसरा प्रोग्राम रन करवाया था, तो उसमें वो चल रहा था, इसलिए दूसरी फाइल रन हो रही थी. सॉरी फॉर दिस. नाउ ये एरर दे रहा है. दिस इज नॉट अ वैलिड फॉर्मेट फॉर राइटिंग अ फॉर लूप. ओके, अगर आपको कोई कहेगा ऐसे लिख सकते, नहीं लिख सकते, ऐसे भी नहीं लिख सकते, विथआउट, अगर सेमीकोलन हटा भी दोगे तब भी एरर आएगी. दिस इज अ वैलिड, गोज इनफाइनाइट लूप. दिस इज अ वैलिड, gives us print 10 numbers, and this is also valid. Okay, so sum of 5 numbers inside loop. So thank you for watching this video. I will provide this and the source code in the PDF format in the description box. प्लीज़ आप ये वीडियो अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर सकते हो कि उनको भी नॉलेज के बारे में पता लगेगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.